Hi guys, it's Shami. So I hope you're having a great day. So today we are going to work in my altered book journal. It's just an old Reader's Digest book that I tore some pages out of and I just glue them together as I need it. So I usually do about 3 pages that I glue together. So it's really fun, and it's a great way to kind of experiment with kind of a different background than white paper. So today I'm going to make a page with a napkin, a piece of napkin that I had hanging around. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of paint, add some simple marks, and we should be ready to go. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoy this process. Hope you have a good day, and I hope you make one of these little journals for yourself. And I will see you later. Happy creating. Bye.
I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo. But it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we can get by together. Come sit down. Let's celebrate this love we found, 'cause we know this is real. I'm about to let you know, I gotta let you know that you can relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Can relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Get your clothes and let's take a drive. True love's coming back in style. We'll be riding to my song, pretty. There ain't nothing going wrong, really. So good when you came my way. You came and laughing almost every day. Life can't be better as long as we stay together. Come sit down. Let's celebrate this love, baby. What we found, we know this is real. Everybody's looking at me and you, 'cause you can relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Can relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know. Anywhere you wanna go. You make me laugh, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. We be eating hamburgers and fries. We be up watching movies all night. We ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money, yeah. We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s. We saving our money, I'm saving our money. Oh, can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know. I can take it anywhere. Oh, you know me by. They know you and me now. Meet my family. We about to throw a party. We about to throw one. They know you like my family. They know. So you better be at this party. They know. Meet my family. Come on. I can take it anywhere, so come by. They know you and me. Baby, won't you come? Can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place.